Welcome to Courtwire, your daily dose of real courtroom drama, shocking verdicts, and justice. Hit subscribe.
We already took care of David Rogers, apparently.
Oh no, that's this gentleman right here, Judge. He needed to fill out the affidavit of indigency.
Mr. Rogers? No, you don't have Okay. Your monthly income is right at $9,000 a month. Is that right?
6,000.
Let's see. Yeah, look what you wrote at the bottom.
Yeah, that's correct.
That's correct?
Yes, sir.
You're the richest guy in the room.
No.
No, I don't care. No, that's over $100,000 a year.
Yes,
The taxpayers are not going to pay for your lawyer.
All right, this is a classic courtroom reality check. The judge makes it crystal clear. If you are making over $100,000 a year, the taxpayers are not footing your legal bill. That means our defendant here, even if he feels stretched, is not getting a free lawyer. This moment shows how income thresholds can instantly change your legal options. It's not personal. It's just the law drawing a firm line. Ever wonder how courts decide who gets a public defender? This is it. No wiggle room, no exceptions. And you can feel the tension. Our defendant now knows he's on his own financially.
You're going to.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what this is all about on the affidavit of indigence. But yeah, that's a fortune for most people. And that's almost $110,000 income. I would be laughed at if I granted somebody indigency at $100,000. Sorry, you're wealthy.
Well,
That's wealthy.
Yeah, another court case
Yeah,
that I ended up having to pay for.
that's too bad. Where's that?
It's going to be here. I think it's going to be in 3. It's with,
A misdemeanor case?
Yes, sir.
That's your problem. Yeah, I'm sorry, but you're going to have to pay your own lawyer. The people are not going to pay when you make over $100,000.
Okay.
That's not even close.
Notice how the judge drills down into the details of income. He's not just counting a salary. He's factoring in VA benefits, pensions, and other government assistance. For the defendant, every dollar matters because courts look at the complete financial picture, not just a paycheck. This is why paperwork is crucial. What you list as income can determine whether you qualify for court-appointed representation. Right now, our defendant is hearing exactly why he falls outside that safety net. It's a subtle but critical moment in his case, and the judge is laying out the stakes clearly.
Even a close call. I mean, generally, once people get over $35,000,
My VA compensation and pension also.
I don't care what it is. It's income. It's income. But it's your take-home pay and other government subsistence, and then that's a fortune. So I'm going to expect you to hire your own lawyer. You need to talk to some lawyers about paying them, but I'm not going to grant you an indigent lawyer as you're not indigent. Yeah, you're far, far from it. Now, nobody likes to pay for these kinds of things, but it's a necessity.
Here's the tension spike in the courtroom. The judge is making it very clear. Without the right lawyer, the defendant could end up in prison. This is not just about hiring someone to fill out forms. This is about navigating a legal minefield where one mistake can have serious consequences. You can almost feel the pressure in the room. For the defendant, this is a wake-up call. Proper representation is not optional, it's essential. And for the audience, it's a reminder of just how high the stakes are in every courtroom drama like this one.
You can go to prison. We don't want that. So we've got to get a lawyer involved to work through the minefield. Do you know any? Okay. Who did we have appointed?
John West.
Well, you might want to talk to him
Also have
about
our own-
retaining him, because most of these lawyers who are working as indigent help, they also have their own private practice as well, and they can talk to you about.
Also have Macon on the case.
Yeah.
So I might
Have you talked to him lately, though?
Talk to him and
Have you
see.
talked to him lately?
I talked to him. I had another case today. It was reset.
Was he there with you?
No, it was just reset. They decided to move it.
When was the last time you talked with him?
Well, like last week sometime.
Okay.
He's also
Yeah, I mean, you can choose anybody you want, but I'm not going to be able to grant you an indigent lawyer.
Okay.
You need to get your own. So it's a pain. I know. But where's his case?
I don't even know.
This David Rogers.
Not here.
Let's see.
I just think there's some that the US regulations.
John's, now, this is one that John is working on.
Trying to get me the veterans.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's just wait on that first.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's wait on that. And then if that doesn't pan out, then you're going to need to start thinking about retaining your own lawyer. Okay. Help us. We want to get that.
You want to just set this for a review to see
Yeah.
if he gets into veterans court?
Well, I thought we have a review on every one of them. Didn't we set for 4 weeks?
John had said put it on the trial docket if he doesn't get into veterans court, but we could reset it to see if he gets into veterans court.
4
and go
weeks.
from there.
4 weeks. Okay.
Now the courtroom shifts into strategy mode. The judge is giving the defendant a lifeline, a reset to see if Veterans Court can offer a better path. It's a calculated move, balancing justice with opportunity. For the defendant, this reset could mean reduced penalties or tailored support, but also means patience and careful planning. This moment highlights a key part of legal navigation. Timing and procedure can be just as powerful as the evidence itself. You can see the hope flicker here, but the responsibility still falls on the defendant to make the right decisions moving forward.
Here's this. There's his indigent one. Okay. I'm not signing this one.
You right there, I kind of fill it on. So
That's okay.
I was trying to figure out if it said monthly, not.
Yes.
The site's kind of messed up the blood pressure.
But that's you're fortunate to have that. That's a good income. Just get a reset. Thank you, sir.